But then again, I'm not a pro at this. I'm not a professional unboxer, so... oh well. Hey guys, I want to show you what I just picked up not too long ago. I'll show you guys. Alright, I'm gonna place it right here. But, pretty exciting. I picked up this. It's a Ryobi. It's a 6-tool combo kit. It was a pretty good steal too. Here, let's go look at all the tools I got. Alright, this thing comes with. Because I think originally it goes for like $329, but I guess there was some sale going on when I went, and it was $199 only. So that's pretty awesome. So it comes with a 1/2-inch impact drill, a 1/4-inch impact drill, a 5.5-inch circular saw, a reciprocating saw, a multi-tool, I don't know what that means, an LED light, and I think, yeah, 2 batteries, a charger, and a tool bag. That's freaking awesome. So yeah, I even picked up this because I don't think the toolkit combo whatever comes with drill bits or whatever. And because I'm gonna do some carpentry things, I figured, you know what, why not? So this is like a 95-piece Ryobi drill and impact drive set. And I think these things, I forget what they're called, but I'm pretty sure this is what I use to pre-drill holes to then drive screws through. So yeah, that's pretty rad, I'd say. Not bad. Yeah, and so on top of this, I also got these. Sorry, I'm filming this in my kitchen because my desk is a mess. It's a Husky 94-piece mechanics tool set. Now I'm pretty sure this is overkill for the purposes in which I'm going to be utilizing this tool set. But who knows, right? Maybe I might need some of these things down the line. Not too sure. But yeah, I also got this. And then I got some Pennzoil Platinum High Mileage Fully Synthetic 5W20 motor oil, because I'm going to learn how to change my own oil. I figured since I'm going to be doing all of these DIY things, taking care of my car should be one of them. So, in preparation for that, I got a oil filter from Napa, a funnel, a drain pan, and a gasket. Because from all of the research I've done, like 9 out of 10 of the videos I've seen, or the things I've read, or the mechanics I've listened to, recommend that you change out, you change out the drain plug gasket. So I got this just in case the one I currently have for my car is worn out or not good anymore. So yeah, all in all, did I buy anything else? I don't think so. yeah, so all in all of this, the oil, these are kind of bought separately, like beforehand. But the Husky mechanic tool set, the Ryobi 95-piece set, and then the 6 tool combo kit came out to like $350, give or take. I'll put the actual price on the screen. But that is not bad considering that the 6 tool kit in and of itself would have been $329 regular price. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, without further ado, I'm excited to get this thing open. It was just a stroke of luck, too, because I wasn't there. By the way, sorry, I got this at Home Depot, my local Home Depot. So I went there originally to do some, what was I going to say? Information collecting, research, whatever, for pricing. Because there's currently a micro grant going on with our local Department of Agriculture. I think it's like $5,000 is the maximum limit that you can request to help source or fund your projects like gardening or apiary or livestock, slaughterhouse, or all those kind of things. So I went there with my wife to do some data collection, and I just so happened to walk through here because I wanted to get the price for this just to make sure, just to double check that it was $329, and by sheer coincidence it was on sale for $199. So sorry I keep on talking about that, but yeah, it was phenomenal. So the first thing that we have for our Ryobi 18-volt 6-tool combo kit is the tool bag. Oh, I guess everything is in the tool bag, which kind of makes sense. Let me get that out of the way. Cool. Okay, so we got this nifty tool bag. It's got a nice texture to it. Seems like durable quality, but I really care about what's inside this. So, what is this? We got some manuals. Not so fun. Ryobi link for other things. This is what I want to get later on, eventually. I think it's this. One of these two. I don't know if you can capture that, or if it's capturing it real well. One of these two for the tree later on, but that's going to take me a while. I already spent all of my money, all of my savings for this, so I actually want to read what this multi-tool is. I wonder what, is this like a grinder? I'm not too sure. Well, I'm gonna have to look up what this actually does. But yeah, so we got our 5.5-inch 18-volt circular saw, battery charger, 18-volt reciprocating saw, oh, the impact drivers, the 18-volt lithium-ion battery pack, and oh, here's the multi-tool. Okay, yeah, I'll be reading through this because I have no idea what that is. And the other 18-volt lithium-ion battery pack. This is not too sure. I guess it's just all of their other products, Ryobi products. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Cool. So the manuals are out of the way. I lied. There's something else. Oh, there's a LED light. That's right. There's that manual too. And now we're getting to the good parts. I'm assuming this is for the reciprocating saw. Or not the reciprocating saw, the circular saw. It's a 5.5 inch 18 teeth blade, circular blade. Awesome. Oh yeah, it is for the circular saw. What else do we got? I'm assuming this is the light. If I can get it out. No, this is the multi-tool. Interesting. I don't know what this dial is for, but that's what I'm gonna have to read up on. Cool. Oh, and it comes with a whatever this is called. Sorry, I'm not very good at this. So we got that. I'm gonna place it right there. This is the battery charger. I'm assuming yes. Cool. I'm gonna place that right here. Then we've got. I don't know what that is. I've always loved watching unboxing videos. I never thought I would do one. Sorry, I'm not that good at this. But yeah, this is the LED light, I believe. Yeah. It's really small. Really lightweight. I like that. I wonder how strong it is. It doesn't say. Well, that I'll have to read, I guess. Lumens, I think, is how that you measure like a flashlight's strength or potency or whatever. Okay, what is... Oh, here's the first battery. This is the 4AH. AH, I don't know what that is. Is that amperes? I'm not too sure. So here's one battery. Place it right there. Here is our first impact drill. Is this the 1/2 inch? I think this is the 1/2 inch. Yeah, the 1/2 inch. God, it feels so cool holding something like this. Something that I own. So nice. I'll need to make sure I take care of these things properly. So I'm assuming this is the other impact drill. Yep. And this one was a 1/4 inch, I believe. Interesting. It doesn't say on this one, but yeah, this has to be the 1/4 inch one. 1/4 inch? Is that right? Yeah, 1/4 inch. Impact driver. I don't know what the differences mean. Something else I'm gonna have to, I guess, brush up on. I don't know what was supposed to be in this thing. Here is the circular saw. Really cool looking. This is gonna be really useful for when I'm cutting wood, especially for the raised bed. Damn, this is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna have to look up safety videos and guidelines on these things. It's quite intimidating holding something you've never really you have no real experience with. That could be very lethal to you. Quite intimidating. Here's the other battery, the 1.5. I'm assuming that's amperes. Correct me if I'm wrong though. God, the difference in size is amazing. And oh, what is this? Oh, I'm assuming this is for the reciprocating saw. And last but not least, the reciprocating saw itself. Very cool. Duh. Very cool. That looks so nice. This is another thing I have no real experience with, so I need to look up safety guides and whatnot. Proper operating videos. Feels like a... I don't want to say that. But yeah. There we go. I think that should be... Don't fall. Everything. Let me just double check the bag real quick again. One last time. Yeah, bag is empty. Yeah, and that's everything. Wow, what a haul. What a haul. That is amazing. Again, this is the reciprocating saw. And I can't remember if I've explained it before on why I chose Ryobi. But I got my wife, it was like a cleaning, here, I think it's actually on the box. It is on the box. So I got my wife this thing, this brush, because she really wanted it. And I guess Ryobi, or at our local Home Depot, Ryobi was the only one carrying it, or they were only carrying Ryobi for that specific kind of like cleaning power tool. So she really wanted it, and yeah, so we have a battery and a charger for Ryobi already, so I figured, well, you know, might as well just stick with the brand, I guess, for power tools, right? So yeah, that's why. And this was like, it's not a bad deal, right? I don't think it's a bad brand, per se. I didn't do much research, but I mean, I don't think Ryobi would still be around if they were a bad brand, right? So yeah, this is, I'm just showing you guys everything there is that's included in the set. Now I know that Home Depot does do, what was that? Does do like a, they have like a 2 tool set, a 4 tool set. I obviously got the 6 tool set. They have I think an 8 tool set and then a 12 tool set. Now unfortunately, my local Home Depot only carries the 6. The 2, 4, and 6, I believe. They don't carry the 8 or the 12. Which I would have loved to try and save up for 12 if they did, but yeah. Also, if you know what this is, if you happen to be watching this video and you know what a multi-tool is for, please let me know down in the comment section. I have no idea what the heck this is, what it does, or what it's meant to do. I just know that it's called a multi-tool. And then one more time, here is the battery charger. Nifty. So now we have 2 of these things. Cool. And I think we have, sorry, here are the batteries. I think we have 3 batteries now? Or 4? Not sure. I should have actually taken it out of the plastic now that I think about it, if I was going to show you guys. But then again, I'm not a pro at this. I'm not a professional unboxer, so... Oh well. I'm assuming these are the attachments for the multi-tool. This is for the reciprocating saw. I need to figure out what size this is so I know which ones to buy later. Thankfully, this one has a 5.5 inch right there. So, very cool, very dangerous. But that's my haul. I'm gonna go charge up the batteries now so I can start using the drill with the drill bits, and hopefully start putting together, assembling the what's it called? The compost bin. Thanks for checking out my unboxing video, guys.